There's a few ways to insert a photograph into a set of Google Slides. The simplest is just to go to the Insert menu, choose Image, and then if you already have it on your computer, you can upload it there. If you have it in Drive, you can do that. Or if you haven't taken it yet, just choose the camera. This will pop up. This is a great time to put on your fake mustache. Oop. There we go. Get yourself centered. And remember, you want to look right into the camera. Often you'll be watching yourself somewhere else on the screen, so look at the camera, smile, take the photo, and insert it. Once your photo's in there, you can resize it. Be careful because you can shrink the aspect ratio and mess it up. There is a keyboard shortcut to make that a little easier, and that is Control-Alt-J or K. So Control-Alt-J will make it smaller, K will make it bigger, and then you can use the keyboard arrows to move it around and get it where you want. Hope that helps.